Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this elegant and glamorous makeup look with my beautiful red dress. You can do this makeup for party, for a dinner and for any type of party. Let's start. I started with a moisturizer and then for smooth and flawless base, applying foundation evenly on my skin. Blending it perfectly for a natural finish. Then I use contour to make my face slimmer. It can give a defined look to your face. Blending it perfectly. Next, I used concealer to my under eyes and blend it lightly. I used my fingers to set it properly. Next, for my eyes, I applied a beautiful eyeshadow, and this is a pink shade. Any color which is suitable for your dress. I used my finger to make it even. I used a brush, eyeshadow brush, and the next eyes. Try to do same to both eyes. Mix it well. It's a golden shimmer, light shimmer. Applied it on bowl of eyes. It creates a soft and glamorous effect for your eyes. Corner of the eyes, you can put more some dark shade of golden. You can use your favorite eyeshadow which matches your dress, but this eyeshadow looks so beautiful in my red dress. Then I applied black eyeliner to define my eyes sharply and give them a bold look. Liquid eyes liner. Because I am using my phone to record video, so it is difficult to put eyeliner correctly, but you can do in front of mirror, so easily you can do this. Applied it properly. Another eyes next time. Try to put same. Then I applied brown eye pencil. You can apply only kajal if you want. And set your eyebrows with eye brush. Give this defined look. And next, applied concealer in the wrist area of your face. Forehead. And next, give a beautiful shape to your lips. I am applying red lip liner. the blush area, put some blushes, slate color. I'm putting some more color. You can put less. For a smooth finger, not very hard. I'm putting some highlighter in my eyes. After that, I set my face with a compact powder to make the base long lasting. And then apply mascara to your eyelashes, and then I applied kajal to my eyes. I love kajal. So without kajal, look, and then give a finished look to my lips. Put red lipstick. And this is a perfect makeup look for parties or any special occasions when you want to look elegant and look stand out. So guys, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and watch more exciting and beautiful makeup video in my channel. So this is my beautiful party look. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.